In a world where we want instant gratification, we want everything fast, we want everything to happen now, not everything works this way. So I've been growing my hair out for almost 2 years now. And it did seem like a really long time, but I stopped paying attention this last probably 6 months. And it just seemed like my hair grew so fast. I don't trim my hair. I did two hair dustings last year of 2024. I have not did another hair dusting. I just been healing my hair from the inside out. No band-aids to cover the problem. I've been oiling my hair morning and night every single day. The last couple months I probably weaned off a little bit of the oiling as much, but I still do it. I still use my homemade shea butter in the ends of my hair, and I do not have any split ends. If I missed one or two, I don't know, but I look quite often and it helps lock in split ends. I know a lot of people say you can't do that, but in the whole 2 years that I've been strengthening my hair, growing it out, especially keeping my hair growing in on the crown because I used to have really bad balding. Now, this side, I do have a cowlick that's just been this way since I've been little. So it is higher up here, but I don't have any more bald spots up here. So this is just something that I've been doing, and my hair has gotten so soft. All of my bleach is almost grown out. It's about here now, as you can see some of the bleach on the bottom. It's just been there. I have not did a major cut or a big cut to take it off. All I'm doing is sleeping with protective hairstyles at night and taking my time, not doing big chops, big trims, and letting my hair just heal from the inside out. And it does take some work, but you do it as you have a routine, such as brushing your teeth and showering or whatever you do. So every day. So this is just something I wake up in the morning, I have my coffee, I do my videos or whatever I have to do, and then I will take my braid out and I will put my shea butter in the ends. So this is just so crucial to do. And if you don't have the time or take the time, you need to spend it on your hair to have results. I do know some girls that they want their hair to grow, but when I ask them, what are you doing to your hair? What are you willing not to do to your hair? They tell me that no, they're not willing to do this, such as bleaching your hair. They love that bleached look. So, what do you want? What is it worth for your hair to get long, strong, and just full? If your hair is on the thin side, there's still things that you can do to make it look thicker and possibly become thicker if you're doing all the things that I talk about and you stick to it. It's not going to work if you still continue to fry your hair off with the bleach, flat ironing your hair every single day. This is from a blow dryer and actually used hot today. I was using cool on my hair probably the last, I'd say, maybe 7 months. Before that, in my first part of my hair growth journey, I did not use any blow dryers. I've only used a flat iron in my hair probably about 4 times within the 2 years. And the last time I curled my hair was Halloween. It was a tiny little curling iron. So I just started incorporating some things, but it's here and there. It's very minimal. But I curled my hair with some hot rollers probably the beginning of my journey on this YouTube channel, which has been quite a while. It's been about 8 months or 9 months now. I'm not sure, but it's almost close to a year now. So I very rarely will put hot irons in my hair. My hair is up in a braid, up in a bun, or just pulled back in my hair clips. And I very rarely do my hair. If I go out to dinner, sometimes I'll have my hair nice and wavy from the braids the night before and look like I'm low key. And some people would think I'm very just, I guess the word you would use is homely. I don't know the exact word, or drab. And I don't care because this is the benefits of having full hair and thick hair. And if you don't want to have long hair and you just want it full, you want the short hair, that's fine. I don't just talk about that in my videos. I do talk about it a lot because I'm on a hair growth journey, but I also know that you can maintain your hair health even when it's short and you just want it to look fuller. There's so many things you can do because your hair can still be fried when it's short. So these are just things that I love to share. I love to help women. And very rarely will I show my hair straight. My hair is naturally wavy. So usually when I do my videos, it's in a ponytail or some kind of braid and it's wavy and it just looks a little messy sometimes. But I am very low maintenance, and so this is okay for me. I can walk out the door, put it in a bun, and just have my hair protected. Now, I believe that you could still wear your hair down, and I'm not saying don't wear your hair down, but it does protect it when it's up most of the time. And a lot of people think, why would you have your hair up when you have long hair? Well, I want to have my hair past my butt, and it is to my waist right now, but I want to have it to my knees. So it's getting there. It's a little shorter in the front, but that's just the way it is when I pull it to the front. In the back, it's a lot longer. So, yes, it is growing by the minute. So, I just want to share this with you, ladies. I am having a course here in probably, hopefully, out the next couple of weeks. And it is just to help ladies, encourage them with hair growth, aging hair, damaged hair, with joint pain and hormone replacement therapy. I will have a community on there, which is so important to have. It is very crucial for women to get together and talk to each other and communicate, get each other's social media, whether it's YouTube or TikTok, and just get together, support one another. And this is my very first course. So I will have an option for you to tell me what I need to work on in the comments or in the community, should I say, and let me know if I need to add anything in the slides. I also will be doing one-on-one Zooms probably once every other week. I'm not sure exactly what the time frame will be. I started off not having this available, but I am going to do this because I feel like we need support as women. We don't know where to turn to. We always don't have that mentorship for women. So this is just something I feel that is very crucial and very, very important in our lives to have. So I just want to share this with you. I am very excited, but I'm very nervous. I am still learning. I am still growing. I'm an affiliate for Kajabi, which is a storefront. It has all of the things that you can do in one platform. So you're not going to this platform for something or this one for instance, like your community and your emails, your one-on-one coaching and your courses. You don't have to go to all these other platforms. And the benefit to become an affiliate is you do get a commission. They do have things for you to do. Like this month, we're doing it in November, part of December. We're having a free 30-day Kajabi trial for people to try out. It'll be in my link in the description. And there's no obligation after the 30 days if you feel like it's just not for you. But if you are trying to grow an online business, ladies, you want to reinvent yourself, this is a great opportunity for you to check it out. Being an affiliate, they have all these different things you could do. You can win prizes, you can win you can have chances to go to big events for some of the biggest affiliates on YouTube are on there, and it'll just be so awesome. So that is what I'm doing. November 17th it started through December 17th. Go ahead and go hit the link on that, ladies. I also will be leaving my link for you to hit my email list and subscribe to that. You will get an instant downloadable for my favorite Indian hair mask and a start for you to start your journey. I will also have this available on my course, but you will have transformational tips once a week on my email list, on ebooks, behind the scenes, newsletters, or videos just to help you and to get the encouragement you need to start your pain points of your journey with joint pain, hormone replacement therapy, as well as hair growth and fullness of hair. I'm just here to encourage other women and be there, and let me know if you feel like you want to hear something from me. Has any of my videos helped you and encouraged you to not give up on yourself, especially with joint pain? They tell us that once we have it, it's too late. We're getting older. There are ways that you can help yourself and you can build your joints back up and you can have strength from within. But I do have other videos about that. So I just want to tell you that I am here for you, and I've been through so many things. I'm going through perimenopause right now, going through my own joint pain, which I actually haven't had any in my knee for, I think it's been going on a couple of weeks or 3 weeks. But I so happy. Now it's in my left foot. I'm having my heel in some pain. So I'm been working on that for a couple of weeks. So as soon as my knee pain went away, my heel was hurting because I believe I was leaning on my hill for a good amount of time because I was trying to take the weight off my other leg. So, but I will get there. I'm going to stay positive, and I have just to have mind over matter and encourage myself. So I'm going to end this video, ladies, and we can do this, and let's keep the community going. Thank you so much. Have a good night.